Hi, hope you are doing well. Today I bring to you a luxurious spa box. This basket, or rather box, can be given to a woman of any age and they will definitely appreciate it. The box I have chosen for this idea is covered in paper and has fasteners to it. The white gauze gives a luxurious finish to the box. Inside, you'll get a box of satin sleep set, which is in blush color. The set includes a satin pillowcase, which helps the hair and face retain their moisture. Then we have an eye mask, which will block the light from interfering with your beauty sleep. The set also includes a scrunchie. It is in satin, which will glide through your hair without snagging. This is a candle in a jar with hand-painted top with floral design. It is hand-poured. The scent of this candle is passion tea. Next is this coordinated set of shower gel and body lotion. Both have vitamin E and shea in them to keep the skin moisturized. I've also included a jar of bath salts which are infused with rose oil. It has relaxing effects and also improves blood circulation. The last item in the box is a set of lemon flavored meringues, and they can cheer anyone up. I hope you get some inspiration from this idea and will be able to use it.